Okay, so for this unit, we are going to be taking a look at solving a system of linear equations through substitution. To set up kind of what we're doing, we're going to go over a word problem first, but your thought process or what you're learning should not be focusing on how to set up the word problem. Your focus should be once I get going into the work. Okay, so it says Monica built a porch to contain two different colors of bricks to create a nice pattern. She purchased the red bricks at $2 each and the gray bricks for $3 each. How many red bricks did Monica purchase if she spent $160 on 60 bricks? So, in a word problem like this, you first want to declare your variables. So I said X is your number of red bricks and Y is your number of gray. One of your equations just wants to mention how many bricks you have. So we can say that X plus Y has to equal 60. Your other one would be your total cost. So it would be 2x, $2 per red, and 3 per gray, equaling 160. So again, this is where the new learning is going to come in for us. If we have two equations such as x plus y equals 60 and 2x plus 3y equals 160, one strategy we can use is called substitution. Now, that's a fancy way of saying take one of your equations, solve it for one of the variables, and put in the other one. So I'm going to solve for x plus y equals 60 by subtracting y on both sides. You could do either one to rewrite it as x equals 60, take away y. This right here is solving an equation for a variable. Then what we do is we take the 60 minus the y and we put that in for the x value. And look what happens. We're going to go from a situation where we have two variables to a situation where we only have one variable to solve for. Okay, so look, all we're going to focus in on this word problem is look what happened to the equations. The top black one, two variables, can't solve it. The bottom black one, two variables, can't solve it. Through substitution, we now have an equation with just y in it that we can solve and then go back for x. But again, the focus is just to show you that this is what happens to the equation during substitution.